All right, again, good morning. This is our analysis um, for the silver. All right, we do this analysis every morning. We track the price bar by bar, minute by minute, right across the board, and we upload our analysis to the YouTube. Okay, our website, our uh, YouTube is Forex day by day. Day by day, minute by minute, we track the price. All right, let's bring up our disclaimer. And at the same time, if you like what you see, please subscribe, ring the bell so you can receive this analysis every morning or every afternoon. All right, let's see what we see in silver. Our technique, we use pivot points to identify areas where the price have overextended. Okay, in here we can see that the price have been hanging. This is summer, people. Hanging around here, kind of went up. All right, along the pivot. Can you see the pivot point here? We consider any movement below the pivot to be a buy signal. The bars are the signal on my system, and as you can see, I'm standing by, waiting for a buy signal on silver. My first target is gonna be up here, and that's it. I don't think it's gonna reach up here, but I never know. At this point, I cross half of the trade and let the other one fly to the second one. You always let your winning trades fly. Now, let's look at something here. Let's look back to see how many times the price have been up here. That doesn't mean the price is going to get there. This easily could come down, but it gives us a suspicion to take one side of the trade, which in this case is buy. Anything below pivot is buy. Anything above pivot is sell. You can see here, right? We can take very good trades, but now we have in these weird months, all right? Now let's go back here and see what we see here. And here, what we let me stop my robots just in case I messed that up. Algo trading out. Silver 2025. All right, let's see. Let's release the brakes here. We can see once the price went up there. Here. So this area is absolutely relevant, people. The expectation is not based in the air. Now, again, it's a speculation. It may happen, may not happen. But to me, to my view, I only buy silver when I get my buy signal. My first target is here. The second target, I release it, go up here. All right. Let's go back into the past. We study the past and project it to the future. Only once the price one kind of getting that. See how powerful these lines are, and they don't change. They don't change. Okay. So this is a very good information about where the price may go if you're looking for reversal trades, which are, as you can see, very profitable. Look at this. We get in here, we get out on the next band. That is 133 pips. All right. Let's see the daily chart to see how far this go. Well, I can tell you right now, here went all the way to up here. But this is the daily chart. Oh no, this is my line here. Boom, boom. So there is a chance. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the bottom here. Let me get a little closer. We're seeing this as a target. We are at the pivot here on the daily chart. Can you see it? And I have a buy signal on the daily chart. Tells me the main trend is going to the upside. So it's not crazy to believe that this is going to go up here. All right, again, this is our analysis of the silver for today, August 15th. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so you can have this analysis every morning or every afternoon. All right, here we go. Expecting buy signal. Will it happen today? I don't know. Today is Friday. There is a lot of news. Let's see what up. All right. Turn my robots again. And see you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.